Alright, we're getting some more wood chips. Too bad it's raining right now. I don't want to put the tractor in the rain. Hopefully the weather gets a little warmer this week, and then I can start moving chips again. I'll go ahead and move these bins since the sun came out. Take this empty one, move it away, and get the other one that has hay in it. Bring it back down here. Sure, it's nice seeing the sunshine. Just drop it off over here. Use it for firewood or whatever else. My son-in-law's been bringing me a lot of firewood, so most of that wood came from there in the bins. Tommy. Once I feed this bin here, I'll start on this hay right here. It's on the hay wagon. It was wet when we got it. Good. Feed that, and we'll put that bin back with the rest of them. Should be a couple days. Bella's already trying to get into it. I guess she is eating some. She don't have any horns, so her head fits through the cattle panel better than the other ones. You think it's dinner time? It's not dinner time yet. It's going to be a pretty good mile, which is great because I can use it. Just not sure when I'll get to it. Want to add more along this lane here where the RV is, the Mustang, all that stuff. Once all that stuff's moved, hopefully that's soon before it snows. Anyway, I'm working on cleaning the shop right now since it was a little cold out here today and raining, which is nice now, so I should be doing tractor work, but I already started the shop project, so I'm going to go back up there and continue on. So I'll catch you later.